Afternoon, everyone. This video starts on my computer, but hopefully I can get this over to my iPad very quickly, and then from there we can start looking at what we're doing today. Sorry about this. There's always a little bit of a gap because I'm waiting for the Wi-Fi to come on. Okay, now I don't know what it's doing. Okay, let's try that again. Alrighty. As I mentioned before, don't forget to always sign the signing sheet every week because, okay, I can't do it on my iPad. Then I'll do it from my computer. Okay, sorry about that. All right, class number 2. One big thing, if you don't know, if you don't know, Moodle will be offline this weekend from Saturday and Sunday. From 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock, both days, Moodle will be offline. So if you have any assignments that you have to do, make sure you do them by Friday or that you do them on days other than there it is. Other than those listed right there. Moodle is offline this weekend. With me, you have only one assignment to do this week. You have a reflection assignment. Okay, and this time the reflection assignment is on this video. So I want you to watch the video. Okay, it's in English, and you can watch it as many times as you want. After you watch the video, as with a lot of these reflection assignments, I want you to take a piece of paper and write again by hand. Okay, not on your computer, but by hand. So that's why I have it right there. A handwritten response. Okay, about what you learned is important in writing professional emails. Writing an email these days is mostly about business, about your work. And when you write an email to me, you should use that as a practice to email or to practice writing an email to somebody like a boss or a president of a company or a client for your company. It's very different from writing just a quick message in Line or in a DM in Instagram. I want you to learn what is important. And it's different from English to Japanese. So that will tell you a little bit about what is important for your email etiquette in English. Watch that video, write a handwritten response. These reflections are always due on a Friday. Okay, so today's Wednesday, you have 2 days to do this. Okay, I also want to show you, let's see here, class number 2. I also want to show you a website that we're going to use a lot in this class. And I'll just show it to you really quickly, okay? Right here, okay? The American Tea Party, all right? This is a website that I made. Maybe what? Well, this is one of the very first that I made here, and this was from 2015. So this is more than 10 years ago. And I started making this website, and I've been making it on and off ever since. But what's special about the website is this. This is a conversation between me and my friend. Okay, so that's me there. And my friend's name is Albert Moe. And I recorded the conversation. I put a microphone here, a microphone there for us to talk. And we just talk. And that conversation I recorded. I took what is this? It's going to be about 3 minutes. Sorry, it's about 4 minutes. Okay. It's about 4 minutes. And I recorded it. And then I took it home. I listened to it. And I typed out everything we said. And that's special for you because most of the things you listen to, like your textbook or any textbook that you have in this university or high school, it's not recordings of conversations. That material is designed to teach you something. So it sounds like this. Hi, John. Hey, I like your shirt. Where did you buy it? And it's not real. That's not the way we speak. Just like something for the Nihongo no Ryoku Shiken, which is equivalent to your TOEIC. When I studied that, I listened to the conversations in Japanese, and they sounded very strange. You don't talk that way. You don't say things like 今日はいい天気ですよね. You don't speak that way. Nobody speaks that way. And the English that you're listening to, sorry to say, also this textbook does not have natural English. So I want to show you this website. I'll talk about it a little bit more later, but I want to show you this website. And let's see here. What else did I want to tell you? Moodle is offline. I'm going to show you that website. And yeah, after we do that website, then we're going to sit in the way that I showed you before, and we're going to start practicing speaking. Okay. So if anyone has any questions about anything there, you can always contact me. Oh, by the way, because the reflection this week is about writing an email. When you write me an email, I really want you to just try to write it in English. And you don't have to write it in good English. Just write it in English. You don't have to worry about it so much that you go to Google Translate, write it in Japanese, take the translation from Google Translate, and then send me that email. That's not writing an email. It's writing or copy pasting a translation. Try to write the email in English. You make mistakes, it's no problem. But that's a good place to practice. And I want you to try to learn the methods here whenever you send me an email. Now, if there's something really difficult, there's a really difficult thing that you have to talk to me about. If it's difficult, then write it in Japanese. I can read Japanese. If I don't understand your Japanese, I'll put it in Google Translate. But try to write any email you send me in the same style as this video. Try to write it in English. Okay? And don't forget, my email address is up here. Right there, up there. I'm going to try to make it bigger. jdmcruz@gmail.com. Okay? And, you know, you can always come and talk to me here as well, too. Thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a good class.